Gus Schmidt back with a new trading video. So today I'm on the pocket option platform and I'm going to be trading OTC currency pairs utilizing one indicator. So if we go into our indicator button here, the indicator I'll be using is the Fractal Chaos Bands indicator. Okay, so when we click on this indicator, you'll see a green upper band and a red lower band. So if I go into the indicator settings, it's set to period 2, which is default setting. So we're going to keep the default setting for the indicator. For my candlestick chart, I'm going to be setting them to 1 minute regular Japanese candles. And for my trade timer, I'm also setting it to 1 minute. So I'll be looking at 1 minute candles while taking 1 minute trades or 60-second trades. So I'm going to pause the video and look for some setups. Okay, so I'm on the USD COP OTC pair, and I have this candle. I'm waiting for it to close outside the upper band line here. And soon as if the price, if the candle closes outside the band, above the band here, I'm going to take a buy trade. So, okay, I went ahead and took a buy trade here. And like I mentioned, I waited for the green candle to close outside the band line, the upper band line of the Fractal Chaos Band. And I took a buy trade or a call trade indicating there was going to be a breakout in the upward direction here. So let's monitor this trade and wait for the expiry. A few seconds. Okay, so we won that trade. All right, so I'm gonna pause the video and look for the next setup. Okay, so I'm on the MAD USD OTC pair here, and similarly to the previous trade, if you notice the previous candle here, I waited for it to close outside the lower band of the fractal chaos band here. And soon as that price closed, I took a sell trade or a put trade in the direction of the trend here, suggesting a breakout to the downside. Okay, so let's monitor this trade and wait for the expiry. Okay, so good. We won that trade. If you notice here, there was a general bearish direction of the currency pair. Okay, so let's pause the video and look for the next setup. Okay, so I'm on the USD JPY currency pair, and I'm waiting for this candle to close outside the chaos band here. All right, so I just took a buy trade here. As I mentioned before, what you want to do is wait for a candle to close outside the band here. We have a real bullish candle here, signifying a potential breakout to the upside. So let's monitor this trade and wait for the expiry. Okay, so good. We won that trade. All right, let's look for one more trade. Okay, so I'm on the Swiss franc Norwegian kroner OTC pair here. And if you notice, the green line just closed outside the green candle closed outside the green upper level of the Fractal Chaos Band. So I took a buy trade in the direction of the trend here. So let's monitor this trade and wait for the expiry. As soon as that candle closes, you take the trade in the direction of the candle here. Okay, so we won that trade also. All right. So that's the Fractal Chaos Band strategy that I've been working with. Uh, Very powerful strategy here. So if you like the video, give it a thumbs up, share the video. If you're interested in trading this strategy, there's a link to the platform in the video comments and in the channel description. Uh, all right. Thank you for watching. Gus Schmidt signing off.